Hi, this is Ryan from Contextually. I'm going to give you a quick demo of how to use the Auto-Sidebar. That lets you drop in a cool little sidebar that lives in the body of your story, either on the left side, the right side, and include recommendations to get readers to go to more of your content. And the auto portion of it is that you don't have to choose them. Our algorithms will figure out what's related, and as you publish more content, all the sidebars then will update automatically. So, show you how to add one very simply to a story you're working on. So you put the cursor where you want it to go. You go to the sidebar button over this way. Look for the Insert Contextually Auto Sidebar and stick it in. And we drop in a little shortcode. At that point, all you got to do is save the draft, and we can go and preview it. And it takes a little second to get us here. As it loads, you'll see we've got a title, 3 stories, well, 3 different little thumbnails, and then the regular module at the bottom and what we call the side rail over there. But this is the auto sidebar, and I will show you how you can change how many show up in there, what the title is, and so forth. So we can close this, go back over to WordPress. Go to Settings, Contextually, look for the Big Settings button, and once you're over in the Big Settings button, you can go to Auto Sidebar, and there's the default title. Change it all you want. Related stuff. Default layout, you can switch it to go right, you can make it go wide, but we're going to stick with left. Link limits will choose how many items go in there, so we can increase that if we want. Let's go down. 5's a bit much. Let's go down to 2. That's kind of nice. Recommendation type. Right now it is only related, but since it's a drop-down menu, you can imagine we have some other ideas. So keep your ears open for that. You can change the size of the thumbnail, anything from different size squares to letterbox. So you go big if you want, but I like smaller. So and then you can also, like with all the modules, change quite a bit about how they're displayed and what colors they are and so forth, and full CSS if CSS is the kind of thing that you like. So you'll also see that there's the Insert an Auto Sidebar into every new post check marked, and I'll show you how that works. So first we'll save all those changes. We'll close this again. We'll go back and let's add a new post. And here we're going to add a new post. You see what happens is a little side shortcode shows up at the beginning of the story. You can write around it, you can move it around all you like, or if you don't want that, you can turn that off and just remember you can just insert it that way. You can also edit these. So say there's a story you definitely want to be included in there. You just highlight it, you can go and press the sidebar button, and up will pop the little window that will let you choose the story that you want. So you'll see we're editing the auto sidebar. We're going to search for a dog, because who doesn't like a dog? We'll choose that there. And you see it's related stuff, right? We've got that title there. Press save. And so what happens there is it gets an ID number. That way we know where to put that chosen one. And the other 2 will still show 3 in that auto sidebar, but one of them will be chosen by you and 2 of them will be done by us. And that's all you got to do. If you have any questions, drop us a note at info@contextually.com. We hope you love the auto sidebar. We had fun building it and playing with it, and we have more fun stuff coming. Talk to you soon.